You're welcome to solve this nice radical square root problem, which is the square root of x times square root of x times square root of x times square root of x. This is equal to 5. What is the value of x? Solution from here. Now we have the square root of x times square root of x times square root of x times square root of x. This is equal to 5. So the first thing here, we are going to solve using two methods. And the first method, this is actually the first method, where we square both signs. Let's square both signs to eliminate the first square root sign. So here we'll have x multiplied by square root of x multiplied by square root of x multiplied by square root of x. Then this is equal to 5 to power 2. This is 5 squared. The next step is to square both signs. Square both signs. So here we have x squared multiplied by, now we eliminate the second square root sign so that we multiply by x, then square root of x multiplied by square root of x. This is equal to 5 to power 2 raised to power 2. This is in the form of a to power n raised to power m, which we can express as a to power n times m. So applying this exponent property, then here we have 5 to power 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. So the next step here, we have x to power 2 times x2. This is x to power 1. This is in the form of a to power n times a to power m, which we can express as a to power n plus m. Applying this exponent property, then we'll have x to power, this is 2 plus 1, which is 3. Then multiplying by square root of x, multiplying by square root of x. This is equal to 5 to power 4. So the next step here is to square both signs. Let's square both signs. So here we'll have x to power 3 raised to power 2. Then we eliminate the second square root sign, so times x. Then multiplying by square root of x. This is equal to 5 to power 4. This is 4 times 2, so we'll have 4 raised to power 8. So here we'll have x to power 3 times 2, which is 6. Then times x. Then times square root of x. This is equal to 5 to power 8. So x to power 6, this is x to power 1. So we'll have 6 plus 1. We'll have x to power 7 times square root of x. This is equal to 5 to power 8. The next step here, we have to square again both sides. So this means that here we have x to power 7 squared times, now we eliminate this second the square root sign here, so we'll have times x. This is equal to 5 to power 8 times 2, which is equal to 16. So here we have x to power 7 times 2, this is 14, times x to power 1, this is equal to 5 to power 16. So this is x to power 14, this is 14 plus 1, so we'll have x to power 15. This is equal to 5 to power 16. So we have x to power 15, this is equal to 5 to power 16. So what we do here, we multiply both signs by 1 over 15, and this is equal to 5 to power 16 multiplied by 1 over 15. So that now if you simplify here, we'll have that x is equal to 5 to power 16 over 15. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. by applying method 1. So let's proceed to method 2. Now, applying method 2, we can solve for the value of x by applying this step. So this x is under 1 square root. So this is the same thing as square root of x. Then multiplied by this x is under 2 square root signs. So this is the same thing as square root of x multiplied by, now this x is under 3 square root signs. So we have square root, and then square root of x multiplied by, we have that this x is under 4 square root signs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this implies that we'll have square root, and then square root of x. This is equal to 5. Now, this implies that if you have the square root of a, this is the same thing as a to power half. So applying this property, then you will have here x to power half multiplied by, here we have 2 square root signs, so this is the same thing as x to power half raised to power half, then times, here we have x raised to power half, then raised to power half, again raised to power half, multiplied by, now here we have x, we'll have here x raised to power half raised to the second half here, then raised to the third half, and finally raised to the fourth half. Now this is equal to 5. Now the next step is that here we have x to power half times, this is x to power half times half, this is the same thing as 1 over 4, then times x raised to power half times half times half. So this is the same thing as 1 over 8. Then times, we have x to power half times half, this is 1 over 4. And then half times half, this is 1 over 4. So 1 over 4, we have 1 over 4. This is 1 over 4 times 1 over 4. This is equal to 1 over 16. So this implies that here we'll have x to power 1 over 16. This is equal to 5. So from here, we'll have x to power. Now let's get the LCM here. The LCM here is equal to 16. So we'll have 16 divided by 2. This is 8. 8 times 1, this is 8. Then plus 16 divided by 4. This is 4 times 1, which is equal to 4. Then plus 16 divided by 8. This is 2. 2 times 1, this is 2. Then plus 16 divided by 16, which is 1 times 1. This is 1. Then this is equal to 5. So here we have x to power, this is 8 plus 4, which is, this is 12. 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. So this is x to power 15 over 16. This is equal to 5. Now the next step is to solve for x. Now we have x to power 15 over 16. This is equal to 5. To solve for x, we multiply both signs by 16 over 15. This will be equal to 5 raised to power 16 over 15. So let's simplify here by 15 1, by 15 1, then by 16 1, by 16 1. So this implies that x is equal to 5 to power 16 over 15. And this is the solution by applying method 2. So both method 1 and method 2 actually provides the same solution. Both method 1 and method 2 provide the same solution. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and more importantly, subscribe. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.